The very place where you can break the geometry is usually an interesting point in the making of a building, a piece of art. And this was very much sort of making a piece of art.
Anybody who's walking through the house should focus on all the different lines and how they literally wrap around the building and join again. And it's a simple form that is really hard to pull off.
There is no other house that has 830 feet of waterfront, 450 which is sandy beach, plus the 12 acres, plus the design and construction elements of the house. All of that together makes a really beautiful picture.
This was a house that was just exquisitely crafted, and that carries through from the drawings, the detail on the drawings, and then the ability of the builder to execute those details.
This is the only house I've ever been in that has wood elements in the construction that were sourced from the property itself. They set up a mill on site during construction. It had oak, it had maple, it had cherry. It's a truly unique feature of this house, and it's just one example of the attention to detail and the intention and the thought and the care that went into building the house, to designing the house.
Its geographic location to Burlington or Middlebury or to Stowe or Killington is unique. I mean, as far as being able to have a home that you can have exceptional recreation, you have exceptional recreation just stepping out the door in every direction of the compass. I really don't know of too many places that have that kind of opportunity.
We wanted you to be delighted, and that the delight sort of increases as you come through off Eagle's Rest and onto the property. The two structures, the one house sort of falls away nicely, and gradually you become aware of the view and the lake and the light in the other direction.
Probably the best way to describe this is what lies beneath. This home has the potential to last forever.